it's okay, I can understand. And even you are responding and you are giving chance to everyone. It's a good thing that. And I think that after getting fame, so many people like change, but some people are too down to earth. So I really like. And
Thank you
so
very
just
much.
yeah, I really appreciate. There are many people who are doing a great after getting so much fame. So I really appreciate her work. And what I'm saying that you also doing a great work.
So, what is your name?
Yeah, I'm Priya. I have done my graduation in MBBS. Now I just yeah, now this time I'm doing the PG preparation. So now I got time because of we heard now that the postponing of my examination is going on. So that's
Hmm.
why I just got time. So just I when I actually went in my college time, then I thought like that I'll learn English and all. But whenever we go now semester wise, so we never get time in
Yes.
between because of schedule is going so hard.
In medical, so you will be always busy with your study. You have
Yeah,
to you have to study more and more.
yeah. So then I thought now this time I got, so I just want to learn and speak to everyone because yeah, I know that when I was in actually college, so whenever there was viva was going on, so I knew everything, but it was like confidence in speaking is actually was not there, so it was affected to so me.
Hmm.
And otherwise, I was a good in story. Yeah. So that's just I wanted it. So I just search that time I watched mostly time YouTube for learning speaking. So I got you and many other people are also doing a great inspire to everyone. So I really want
Great,
to
great.
appreciate you.
It's
Yeah,
really great.
yeah. Because after looking you now, so many people want to learn here. Because sometimes it was like a sinus is there. Like me, I was like totally even not this time. I'm also like a shy because learning is a process, and now we are mature, so it's difficult to handle everything. Whenever you go on a higher profession level, so you need these things. So
Yes,
just
exactly.
yeah,
So that's why you want to learn English, and also you want to get confidence while speaking in English.
yeah. So
Okay.
I saw that so I thought like that I'll make one conversation with you, and I
Sure.
want to know that yeah, how like now this time you are doing, and because I think that with this study, it's so hard to actually to manage everything. So just I want to
Exactly.
know.
Exactly. Even I am taking online classes. Then I have to make a video for YouTube. So that's why I am so busy right now. And all the people are calling me or also texting me that I want to make a conversation with you. So that's why I have to give my time to all of them. So that's why it is too late for you. But now, yes, I'm
Yeah,
here.
but it's okay. I can understand. And even you are responding and you are giving chance to everyone. It's a good thing that. And I think that after getting fame, so many people like change, but some people are too down to earth. So I really like. And
Thank you
so
very
just
much.
yeah, I really appreciate. There are many people who are doing a great after getting so much fame. So I really appreciate her work. And what I'm saying that you also doing a great work because I know that you are also like a student. Give your
Yes,
introduction also. Yeah,
yes, I am a student. I am BTech student and
yeah,
pursuing electronics and communication engineering. I know that you have heard a lot of times in my video.
yeah. I don't know that, but yeah, sometimes just because I'm also doing my PG preparation, so mostly time I'm
So that's why
busy
you
in
don't
this thing.
get
Yeah.
too time.
Yeah, so that's it. But I want to make some conversation because I know that how like you are now this time managing everything. Because whenever we start to learn, it's okay for. But sometimes after like getting bored because of like we need to more vocab also. We need to more practice.
Basic vocabulary so that you can express your thoughts in English at least.
Yeah, it's okay then now we are sufficient for conversation in normal way. But when you go in a higher level, there are many people who like using so many beautiful accents. So that's why sometimes it's gone, yeah, up to my head.
Yes,
So
and
that's it.
also to see those things, even you and me and intermediate student can get nervous. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's
Sometimes
why I
it's
we
like
have
what.
to practice a lot.
Yeah, so no, like instead of doing Camly conversation, I saw that on I saw you that on Camly or Clappingo. So behind it's what are you doing for learning?
Sometimes I read storybooks and also what I start thinking in English. So it really helps me. Whatever I said to my friends or to my family members, then I repeat it hardly in English. And if there is some mistake, then I can correct myself. Then I repeat it again. So that's why I am learning this thing.
Yeah, that's great. Actually, now this time we are not getting environment too, so that's why
Mhm.
I'm thinking because
Exactly.
only doing Camly application and coaching, but we have to practice in our real life also. So that's why it's get fluent.
So
So
you have to know the real conversation, real life conversation. It really helps you.
yeah, and now our surrounding is like our families mostly speak Hindi, so that's why we are not getting too
That's the
much
main
time.
problem.
Even I'm
Same
not
problem
getting.
I am
Yeah.
facing. Same problem I am facing because all the people are in my localities speak Bengali in my local language. So that's why
Okay.
I practice with some tutors on Clappingo and also Camly, and then with my talk with my subscribers also. And also
Yeah, that's
I
great.
have talked with some YouTubers too.
Yeah. No, it's great that you are doing such a great thing, sir, and
Thank you,
inspiring to
thank you.
everyone. Yeah. So now I'm just like example of me. I'm also inspiring from you people. So that's why I'm just came here and I want to talk. Okay. So it's a
It's a great
great
thing.
thing.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know.
I think that doing help to other, it's a great thing. So you're doing.
And thank you very much.
Yeah, when I was in second standard, at that time I was decided it because I'm so like innocent and like so helping nature type. I don't want
Oh,
to
great,
praise
great.
myself,
I
but
can
I
see it in
want to be
yourself.
real. Yeah, so just I want to actually help everyone. So when I saw that in my childhood that many people were suffering from money and they had no money, and so because of money they died, and so I wanted to become a social worker, but
Oh,
just
wow.
yeah, but I don't know how I'll start. So I thought like it's good platform for becoming a doctor, and after that I'll help. I want to give
Is
charity and open orphanage,
great.
so it's a great platform for me.
Yeah, it
So
is a great initiative. And so you are done with graduation, 5 years graduation in medical.
yeah, actually I completed my MBBS. Just now this time I'm doing a PG preparation.
Okay. So
So
in
just
which
exam.
topic do
Yeah.
you have interest? In which topic? In which particular topic for PG?
So just after getting rank, so this way they will decide where I'll get because it's depend on a rank wise.
Hmm.
So basically, I wanted to become surgeon. So
Okay, so you want to become sergeant.
yeah,
Okay, great,
and
great.
yeah, yeah, and also in future when I'll get, I also do my preparation in IS field also. And after, if I'll have time, then I'll also like actually write some inspiration story about the inspiration people. So that's it.
Oh, awesome,
Yeah,
awesome. That will be awesome.
yeah.
And yeah, go on.
Yeah, because there are many people who came from many ground and they are doing a great. Even in my hospital, I also saw that many patients. So just sometimes it's they give so much like a hardness because they are suffering so much. So I want to wrote actually I want to write something about them. So I thought like
So,
that.
so nice of you.
Yeah.
And so, what do you like uh, to do in your free time? Because you have a
Okay.
lot of pressure for of studying, right?
Yeah.
You are doing your PG.
Yeah, it's true that I am not getting so much time, so it's hard to manage everything for me. But I think that it's a life when it will go, so never come back. And you know that how like situation is going on. We thought like that we got get rid of corona, but now we are knowing that the second wave is so much harmful than the first wave.
Yes, yes, exactly.
So its situation is different for everything. When time will actually going hard, we never know that. So now I'm thinking that whenever you get time, do whatever you want to do. I
Great,
I,
great.
rel- I really learned from this. So
You
just I
realize.
started, yeah, and so I just started English courses. I would like to read a novel, and
Oh,
in my free time, I also like cooking,
oh,
and
cooking.
I all
Wow,
yeah.
lovely. So, what is the best cooked till now by you?
Mostly I cook like a breakfast in like dosa and
Okay,
idli. I really like to do like a actually breakfast things. So that's it. I always do experiment on this food also.
great, great, great. Because the cooking is really important part in our life. So
Yeah,
we have to learn this at least to survive ourselves.
yeah. In my life, what I learned that you know everything and you have to know everything because when situation is changed, you have to able to handle
Don't know
everything.
exactly. Good, good.
So I am doing like that, and I also want to travel because I know, yeah, because I know about like people how like living in Nicobar and Man. There are many places. So yeah, so I want to go and I want to know about the activity culture. So that's it.
Okay, so besides all the thing, you love traveling.
Yeah.
So, and one question I want to ask you that after becoming sergeant, where do you want to go for trip?
Okay. What trip where I want to do?
Yeah, just
Okay.
vacation trip
What?
for vacation.
For vacation. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. I want to go many places, but I mostly want to go on hilly areas because I'm
oh,
so
hill
yeah
station.
yeah nature loving person. So that's way I just
Yes.
want to keep my mind peace and also want to attract all natural things because it's give me so much peace inside me. So I want to go that place like a Manali in yeah.
Okay. So, have you been to Darjeeling in West Bengal?
No, no,
So
no.
you should
I
visit
went,
once
yeah, I have been actually many places, but not in Darjeeling. So just yeah,
because this hill station is one of the best tourist spot in West Bengal, and you should visit once in your life.
wow, sure, yeah. Actually I got to know that things from you now. Surely I'll go there
Sure,
this
sure,
side.
sure.
Yeah,
Which food do you
eat
like
food.
mostly?
Okay. Mostly I eat normal things. You know that doctor's life was like a simple way. So that's way
Healthy, healthy
healthy.
things.
Yeah. If I'll healthy, then that's way I'll give precaution to my patients also. So that's way I'm also
Correct.
firstly adopt these things.
Sure, sure. That is the good sign of a good doctor.
Yeah, that's way I'll give prescription to my patients also. So that's way I'm doing. That's way. Yeah.
Okay. And have you ever faced any patient in your while studying or while going to market or anything else? Have you faced any patient accidentally?
Patient. Accidentally, I didn't face, but yeah, sometimes I faced. And this happened when I went to my hospital. That time I got because outside so there are many patients
Yeah.
here. So yeah, so that time most of the patient because of a heart attack and increased hypertension. So that's where they got anxiety. So they mostly like fatigue and they got nauseated. So I found in outside.
So okay. So outside of hospital. So how do you
Yeah,
handle it?
yeah. Actually, that time
Or,
what I
or primarily because
primarily just I seeing a pulse BP outside. Then after getting changed, by defining that pulse BP and respiratory rate, we assume that what happened. Sometimes it's like a hypoglycemic problem is there. People are not eating so much and they are tired. And they mostly go outside without eating food from morning. So some anxiety also is there. So mostly normal pulse, so sometimes anemia is also there. So we check eyes and all. So just the way normally routine checkup. So that's the way it's a basic fundamental.
basic.
Yeah. So
So
that's
you are
it.
quite experienced with that.
Yeah, because I also did my internship now, so that's where I did lots of things in this field. So I know actually I know everything. This
Okay. So
yeah
where did you complete your internship?
in Maharashtra college and. Yeah, so it was really good for me. It always feel like that. Yeah, now I'm become doctor, but journey is not a stop
I
now.
see.
Journey it's like it's take a more time, like up to like a 5 year. Then after that, I'll become too good in my position. So that's it. Yeah, otherwise, I have opportunity to do medical officer, but I don't want to do because my aim and goal is so high. So I want to go forward in future. So that's it.
You are so ambitious person.
Yeah, because I think that if I am seeing a good dream for everyone like orphanage and charity. So firstly, I'll develop my good destiny. Then I will able to yeah help to
You do
everyone.
everything.
Otherwise,
Yes.
yeah.
Otherwise you can't.
Yeah,
Okay.
so firstly I will develop myself, then I'll able to do everything for everyone. So
And yeah, by the
just
way, where are you from? I just forgot to ask. Where are you from?
okay. Basically, actually, I am from Uttar Pradesh, from Prayagraj. But I did all my education from Maharashtra. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, till 12th I did all completion like school timing. I was in Uttar Pradesh in Prayagraj, but now just after that I went to Kota, Kanpur, then Maharashtra. So just for preparation, I went to Kota, Kanpur. Then after that, getting college, then I was in Pune. So that's it. Yeah.
Great.
And how was your experience about that learning speaking? I think that you started before 6, 7 months. I don't know.
Yeah. Actually, I started this my YouTube channel last year during lockdown. So
Okay.
from that time, I am continuing to upload my videos, and now it is going well.
Yeah, I saw that you are doing a great now. So I thought like that one day I'll tell you and I'll make conversation with you. So
Yeah,
that's
it's
it.
a really great. It's a really great to have a conversation like
Yeah.
medical student.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, sometimes problem also is there whenever I want to speak everyone. There are many apps available,
Mm. Yeah,
but
right.
most of the time, people saying that what to do. Then when I said like that I'm doing MBBS, then they people react like that. Why are you learning? we already are become doctor. So just sometimes like give awkward because
Yes,
of
yes, I know.
yeah.
And but English is international language, so if you want to learn, you can learn. So doctor can't learn it, so it is not like that,
Yeah,
right?
same thing. So sometimes I stopped it. Okay, then I'm not okay like that way. But after getting you, and there are many people who are doing a great now this time YouTube. So that's why no, when they people are doing a great and inspiring to everyone. So I have to do now.
Yeah, you
It's
have to
time.
do and
Yeah.
you have to learn English, and your English is really good, but you have to just practice. That's it.
No,
And
I know that.
you will be fluent near future after practicing a lot.
Yeah, thank you for these things.
And may I know that what is your father occupation?
Okay, my father did everything in their life. Like they did a profession job also. They are IIT students
Oh,
also there.
great.
So yeah, they did a, actually he went also in a politics way. He got a good uh, praise they have, and after that he started teaching also to everyone. So and also doing coaching, and after now this time currently he is a businessman. So he did
Oh,
everything. Yeah, he is like
great.
a super top yeah student,
Yeah,
but
he's a multi-talented.
yeah, but I'm not like that.
No, you are doing a great that you are pursuing PG and you will be become doctor. So that is really great.
Yeah. Yeah, also my mother also working in government college. She got college from NRI sector, from railway sector. So she
Great.
also working. Yeah. So she is most like hard working woman.
Wow, awesome.
Yeah.
And do you have any sisters and brothers?
Yeah, I have a sister and brother, two brothers and one sister, and all are got married, and they also doing in a teaching room. Actually, my family background is going in a teaching field. Only one, I'm the one person who came here in this field.
So nice, so nice.
Yeah. So firstly, it's so difficult for me for taking everything. We never know about medical situations, so it was so hard for me after 12th because I thought I was like a good student, even top student in my school time. But after that, when you left your school, then you will know that how much like a competition is going on. So it took time for 2 years for selection. So that's why I went to Kanpur Kota for preparation. Then after that I got college. So just I done my MBBS, and my journey was so long. Actually, is so long now this
Yeah, I
time.
know.
Yeah,
Yeah. And all the best for becoming
yeah,
doctor.
yeah. Thank you so much. And also you too. Actually, you are doing so much hard work here also,
Thank
and
you
in
so much.
preparation also. Yeah.
So
So
is it okay for today?
yeah, now it's okay.
Okay. Thank you so much for giving your
Yeah,
time.
and you also for remembering and giving. I really appreciate your work. Yeah, some people is yeah they are who like down to earth and helping to others. So I
Thank
really
you so much.
appreciate yeah those people so much. Okay, if
So
in future
stay
if
safe,
I'll
stay
meet,
happy.
sure. Yeah, if in future I meet, then after doing yeah after I got my college, then sure I'll come in Darjeeling.
Sure, sure, sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay.
Okay. Stay safe, stay
Yeah.
happy. Hope to see you soon again.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah. It
Bye.
was a nice conversation for
Yeah,
me.
it was really lovely to meet you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.